This is my final morning report charts appraisal on Friday the 15th of April with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Handtech Markets. The final chart I'm going to look at is gold, and we're seeing consolidation pretty much across the board on financial markets, and there's no real difference on gold. We've had these sort of three negative candles in the last few days on gold, but just settling down, and that settling down seems to be coming around an old pivot line support around 12.25, which was the low yesterday, touched at the low today, and settled. You've still got this downtrend intact over the last few days, so that would still suggest that near-term perspective is negative, but ultimately I still think that this is going to play out to be a medium-term choppy range play. So you'd start to think about probably the supports coming back in. The major support starts to come in at 12.08. But between sort of 12.08, there's a sort of around 12.16 as well, which was a reaction low on the 6th. And I think just generally, I think you'd start to see the support coming in around that sort of range anyway. So I think this selling pressure just in the near term has started to wane a bit, but ultimately it's just it is still in this near term downtrend. But I think that the chances are we're going to start to see some sort of support formation. You got the RSI, which is back around 50 level, which is sort of not a million miles away from where the sort of 48.50 level, where sort of 45 seems to be where the lows start to come in. And you got these MACD lines, which pretty much is saying that this is in a range phase because it's pretty much flat. There's no real direction on that, and I think, as I said, I think the support is going to start to build again, and I think it's just going to continue this sort of choppy range phase. So I'd be a little bit careful for chasing too much further downside, because I think it could start to find some support. So I wish you good luck in your trading today. There's a lot of volatility that we can expect next week, so you can imagine gold will find some direction off that on the back of this Doha meeting. But today, fairly much flat, and pretty much looking as though that the market is settled in front of this Doha meeting. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you again on Monday. Thank you.